Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, which is part of Leetcode October Daily Challenge. The problem is check if two string arrays are equivalent. So we get two arrays of strings, word1 and word2, and we want to return true if the two array represent the same string. What does that mean? So basically, a string would be represented by an array if the concatenation of the elements of the substrings in the array give us that string. So for example, word1 ABC, if we concatenate it we get ABC. If we concatenate this one we get ABC as well. These two represent the same string, right? So we return true. Here we get ACB if we concatenate, we get ABC if we concatenate. Those are different, so we return false. Here we get ABCD, D, E, F, G, which is the same string as the one we have here. So we return true, right? So that's the idea. So it sounds like pretty straightforward. Just concatenate word 1, concatenate word 2, check if they are equal. So very simple solution here. So in Python, it's even simpler. If you are not in Python, you can do a for loop and just add each string. But in Python, since we can use a join to get the concatenation for word 1 array, and we do the same thing for word 2 array, right? And then we check if they are equal, pretty much. If you are not in Python, you could do like w1 in word 1, so that would be maybe res1 or something, and then you will do res plus w1. You do the same thing for word 2, and then you compare res1 and res2, right? That should give you the same thing. So let's run this and let's submit. So that passes this cases. Now in terms of time complexity, this concatenation takes O of n, 1, and 1 being the length of word 1, or at the number, the length of word 1, and then here O of n 2, so O of n 1 plus n 2. So whatever is the length of both arrays, the sum of the length of both arrays. We are not using any extra space, so it's O of n space here. So that's pretty much it for today's problem. An easy problem today. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.